Crews are responding to a large 2-alarm fire at a wood recycling plant in the St. John's area Thursday morning, officials said. Portland Fire and Rescue shared the incident began as a sawdust and pallet fire that has so far required 2 fire units. Crews say initial reports show the fire does not pose a threat to structures near 1030 North Lombard Street. Crews are working to contain the pile of wood products on fire from spreading, PFNR said in a post on social media. They are doing this with fire truck elevated mortar streams being established.